Perhaps no other animal on the planet has been as essential to humanity as the wolf. They were Norse mythological gods that nurtured Rome's founders, Romulus and Remus. Most notably, the wolf was the first animal to be domesticated by humans, a process that occurred well over 10,000 years ago and remains a mystery. They have been our closest friends and worst adversaries, but there is still so much we don't know about them. Black wolves don't occur naturally. A 2008 Stanford University study discovered that the mutation responsible for black fur only occurs in dogs, implying that black wolves are the consequence of gray wolves mixing with domestic canines. The mutation is a dominant characteristic, similar to dark hair in humans, that is passed down to the majority of children. It is unclear what effect black fur has for the animals. They do not appear to be better hunters, but they do exhibit a significant gain in immunity to specific illnesses. Black wolves are much more frequent in North America than elsewhere. A large percentage of coyotes are actually wolf hybrids. Coyotes have thrived in locations where wolves have been largely exterminated. Over the last few years, substantial populations have shifted east into suburbs and even big cities such as New York and Chicago. Genetic testing of 100 coyotes seized in Maine indicated that 22 had wolf ancestry. Coy wolves are larger than typical coyotes but smaller than wolves, and they are known to be exceedingly cunning. They demonstrate the same fearlessness of human society as coyotes, but they appear to retain the wolf's pack, hunting instinct, and high level of hostility. Cannibalism is common amongst wolves. Wolves are incredibly opportunistic carnivores who will take advantage of any opportunity to eat. Living in some of the harshest terrain on the globe, they are occasionally forced to eat sick or injured pack members, and any dead wolf is generally fair meat. Wolves trapped in snare traps must be treated promptly by hunters, or they will be torn apart by other wolves. When two packs come into conflict, they frequently engage in a death war, with the alpha males typically being slain. Sometimes they are eaten by their own offspring. The heaviest wolves can approach 200 lbs. Wolves grow dramatically in size as they travel further from the equator. Wolves in the tropics are typically little larger than medium-sized dogs, although those in the far north, Alaska, Canada, and Russia can weigh more, over 120 pounds. The largest wolf ever killed in North America, weighing 175 pounds, was captured in Alaska in 1939. A 190-pound wolf was killed in the former Soviet Union's Ukraine. There have been unverified tales of specimens weighing 200 pounds or more, most likely alpha males, in places with a consistent food supply. Rabid wolves are extremely dangerous. Although wolves are not a major carrier of rabies, they can contract the disease from other animals such as raccoons and foxes. Unlike some animals which exhibit lethargy and disorientation, wolves go into a rage relatively soon after contracting this sickness. Rabies is directly responsible for a high percentage of assaults on people. Such events have decreased significantly over time, although a handful still occur each year. Although there are apparent therapies available for persons bitten by rabid animals, the wolf's proclivity is to bite near the head and neck, and the virus frequently enters the brain before medical attention can be sought.